This might be one of the most insane Toyota-based motorhomes ever created. This is not just a truck, not just an RV, this is a rolling luxury fortress. 12 wheels, military vibes, and 5-star living combined into one machine. Everything you see in the thumbnail is exactly what you're getting right now. Welcome back to Luxo Motronyx, where extreme luxury meets extreme machines. Just look at that front, aggressive headlights and a massive armored grille. Even on mud, this beast moves smooth and confident. From above, it looks unstoppable cruising riverside roads. Ice roads? No problem, traction stays locked in. Inside, luxury sofas and a comfortable bed feel like a high-end apartment. A premium kitchen setup with a clean, modern burner layout. Smart gear controls with wireless charging built right in. In the showroom, its size alone commands attention. On highways, it cruises smooth like a luxury SUV. Heavy-duty tires designed to handle any terrain. Controlled and stable even on steep mountain drops. Every angle looks bold and purpose-built. Lower lights and reinforced grille screen power. Sharp lighting detail on the right side. Toyota branding centered between aggressive headlights. As the camera moves smoothly from right to left, the interior opens up beautifully, revealing a wide, connected living space where the sofas flow into the bed area, creating a calm, luxurious environment that feels more like a high-end apartment than a motorhome. The driver's seat offers commanding visibility, while panoramic glass surrounds the cabin, opening up unreal views and making every drive feel wide, open, and immersive, built to cook real meals anywhere on Earth. Inside the bathroom, a luxury wash basin pairs with a clean, modern shower, delivering comfort and premium design even in a compact space. A large central touchscreen manages navigation, vehicle settings, and key controls, putting everything you need right at your fingertips. Steering-mounted controls combined with a crisp digital speed display keep everything intuitive and easy to manage, allowing the driver to stay fully focused, confident, and in complete control at all times. From the sky, it looks cinematic in motion. Gear system built for long, demanding journeys. Ice roads feel effortless with this setup. Mud, dirt, and chaos still smooth. Extra LCD screens keep vital info visible. The front bumper feels like pure off-road armor, built to protect the vehicle and dominate rough terrain without compromise. Highway cruising feels calm and controlled. Back on muddy terrain, it moves forward with zero hesitation. These heavy-duty tires are built to survive extreme terrain, descending steep mountains with full confidence. On highways, the ride stays smooth and comfortable. Even on ice, traction stays controlled and stable. Mud becomes just another surface to conquer. Thunderbone branding reinforces its tough, battle-ready character and rugged design. Built to go where others simply stop. Strong grip keeps it moving through deep mud. The interior smoothly shifts from bed to sofa, keeping comfort and style perfectly balanced. Luxury continues with a clean, modern bathroom. Perfect mix of beauty and power. Steep downhill roads feel fully controlled. Cold conditions don't slow it down. Long-distance driving feels effortless and relaxed. A commanding driving position with clear visibility. Controls, steering buttons, and the large touchscreen are all carefully engineered to deliver smooth, precise, and confident driving control. From above, it looks unreal, engineered to perform confidently even in the harshest winter conditions. The side profile clearly shows its massive size and commanding road presence. Steep downhill sections are handled with calm, fearless control. On the highway, it feels smooth, quiet, and incredibly stable. This master bed proves it's a true luxury bedroom on wheels. The kitchen is designed for real living, not just occasional travel. That front bumper looks solid, protective, and ready for impact. Even dangerous slopes feel controlled and manageable here, built for long highway journeys with comfort mile after mile. Mud doesn't slow it down, it just keeps moving forward. Ice roads confirm this is a no-limits motorhome lifestyle. Like, subscribe to Luxo Motronyx and check the pinned comment for what we review next.